Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to stop App Store from asking password on free app install on iPhone. But before we continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, here I'm gonna try to download some free apps. For example, here let's say I'm gonna download this WhatsApp. Just tap on get button, and yeah, as you can see here, I have to enter my ID password, but here let's disable it. First, open your settings on your phone, and now in this settings page you have to scroll it down until you find Face ID and passcode, and when you see it, just tap on it now. Yeah, in this Face ID and passcode page, you will see iTunes and App Store here is enabled. Just toggle off the button to disable it. And yeah, it's done. So let's try to download some free apps again. And here I'm gonna tap on WhatsApp and tap on get button to download. In this pop-up, tap on install. And yeah, it's processing. I don't need enter my Apple password again. So guys, I think just it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one, and good luck.